Now, your background is in finance and coaching startups to prepare for funding. So I can imagine you must have learned a lot. What would you say your single biggest takeaway was from Slush?
Yeah. Say maybe the single biggest takeaway came from this event around, it's called Exit 101. It was with Maria Raga, former CEO of Depop, which sold to Etsy for 1.6 billion a couple years ago. And then the general partner from Creandum, which was the VC on her board, Frederick Castle. And Maria was kind of talking about that journey as a founder or as a CEO of wanting to exit the company, wanting to sell, and kind of how to navigate kind of along the way. And I work with founders at the earliest stages. And so it was interesting to see someone much later talk about how do they create optionality to maximize kind of the value of that sort of acquisition.
So beginning with the end in mind is what I just heard. That's awesome.
Yeah, I think, yes and no. It was like beginning with the end in mind, but she also said, don't focus so much on the exit. You have to be okay
Yes.
with it happening and not happening, because otherwise your eyes are going to get really blurred kind of as a founder.
Yeah, clarifying what I said by beginning with the end in mind, understanding what your aspirational goal is,
Yeah,
but don't focus on it exclusively to the point that you're not building the type of incredible company that will allow for that.
yeah, you're completely right.